If you have hand-fed operations and are looking to increase productivity, then this video will be a must-see. You will see a remanufactured OBI press by Stamtec with our Swift Trip option. This system can be added to an existing press, or Stamtec can supply a remanufactured press with a 1-year warranty to your specifications. Here's how the system works. Swift Trip, a press operating system designed with productivity in mind. An operator simply deposits the part in the die and withdraws, passing his hand over the Swift Trip sensor, which is placed outside the light barrier. The press will only cycle if satisfied that the hands are out of the die area. It will not wait for any additional time-consuming decisions to cycle the press. This concept has been proven to yield extremely beneficial results. With more than 300 installations over the last 20 years, it has increased productivity from 30 to 150%. This cleverly designed concept was conceived as a result of our intent to solve 3 major press operating problems. Number 1, productivity. Swift Trip is not a PSDI, presence sensing device initiation system, but will allow you to increase your productivity to a level equal to a PSDI system. The difference is that in a PSDI system, the light curtain will automatically trip the press once the operator's hand is withdrawn, whereas with the Swift Trip, the operator will have the choice to decide whether to cycle or not to cycle the press after a part has been loaded. Swift Trip does not require complicated and lengthy procedures for certification. It meets all current applicable regulatory standards. Number 2, safety. The light curtain will ensure that the operator's hands, as well as other bystanders, are always kept out of the danger zone. The light curtain must be inherently fail-safe in design. Number 3, ergonomics. Conventional presses use 2 anti-tie-down palm buttons, forcing the operators to press hard on the buttons, which sometimes inflict the operators with carpal tunnel syndrome. The Swift Trip sensor is conveniently placed in the path of the normal motion of the hand of the operator and only requires a gentle touch to cycle the press. 3 specific elements essential for the Swift Trip operation: reliable and fail-safe controls, light curtains, Swift Trip unit. Now, please enjoy our video.
This is our 60-ton Minster Die-Namic press. This machine is equipped with the full Seco 1100R press control with the Swift Trip feature. It utilizes our modular guarding system with STI light curtains and an STI ergonomic button. The machine can run your normal strokes, inch, single, continuous, utilizing the 2 green buttons on the side. The buttons are used for setup. To go to continuous, bring it to continuous, preset, hit the buttons to the bottom, and it latches in. Top for top. It also has the Swift Trip mode. When you select it and turn it on, if you break the beam, run your hands across the ergonomic button, press the cycle 1 time. If at any time you don't break the light curtain, hit the button, press will not cycle. If your hand is in the light curtain, press will not cycle. Needs to see the motion, press will cycle. The button moves side to side on extruded aluminum for ease for left or right-handed operators. If you break the beam on the downstroke, the press will stop exactly where you broke the beam after the stopping time. Bring it back to the top. Reselect Swift Trip. And it's ready to run. Looking at the main console, you have your PCI 100 controller. You have your speed right here. There's a digital meter to show the press speed even without the machine in motion. It also has die protection inputs available. This is the 1100R Seco press control, reversing motor starter, Tour Spec eddy current drive, and complete wiring done by Stamtec. This machine is a 1980s vintage Minster, which has been completely remanufactured and ready for use. The machine is also equipped with a recirculating loop system, which recaptures the oil coming down through the ramp and goes back to the loop system and gets filtered and reused. These are our 80-20 extruded aluminum brackets, all modular design, very easy to cut out, reframe if there's going to be any type of feeds or any type of conveyors going through the brackets. This is our custom bolster plate with T-slots. Customer did not require a cutout, but a cutout can be put on if required. This machine does have an air cushion down below.